out to the right and see that building with the lighthouse atop. That is aptly named Tom Ham's Lighthouse. Time
Be
is
sure
away
to
from
like
loved
and
ones.
subscribe.
That's the definition of
Be sure to
sacrifice. So
like
at least
and
one time on this
subscribe.
harbor tour, I'll give the Coasties a shout out.
May bangka, oh. Ayan, say hi, oh. Ayan, may bangka sila.
Nakatakot kaya walang cutting.
Kami, Mateo.
Okay, let's go over here. Right here.
You see 3 restaurants right off to the right. You've got Costera, a fine dining Mexican restaurant. Right in the middle is the Sea Level Patio Bar, and that is connected to Island Prime, a fine dining steakhouse and seafood restaurant.
Nice.
All 3 of those are amazing views of the
I know, it's annoying.
Oh, can't forget about this. Here.
Good job, Martin. Just sit down.